Hello and welcome to Mobile Device Automation with UiPath Test Suite. After the general introduction in the previous demo, we're ready to start automating testing on mobile devices. To make this work, we need a couple of things: an application to test, a connection, the test automation tool. But it all starts with the mobile devices. We can buy several of them. Or, better yet, we can use a platform that provides access to the mobile devices we need. We'll be using Sauce Labs. You'll see why, starting with this demo. Consider the development of a mobile application. There are thousands of different models out there, and you'd want your application to work the same on all of them. Buying and maintaining all these models just for testing your application wouldn't be effective from a time and cost perspective. Enter Sauce Labs, a testing platform that provides services to test web and mobile applications. It allows running tests on real devices, virtual devices, as well as desktop browsers. To access all the features of Sauce Labs, we need to first create an account. We can do that by accessing www.saucelabs.com and clicking Try It Free. This will allow us to create a trial account for a limited period of time. We'll enter the required information. On this page, we need to select which data center we want to use, then click Get Started. Once we register, we'll also receive a confirmation email from Sauce Labs. Alright, now let's sign in. If you are a first-time user, we recommend that you start from the Getting Started section. In our case, we're on the test results page, which gets populated with the tests which are being executed. An important section, especially at this time of configuration, is the user settings. Here we can see the account information and the driver creation URL. We'll use this link for the APM URL in Mobile Device Manager to be able to execute the test cases we create in UiPath Studio on devices from Sauce Labs, thus populating the dashboard in Sauce Labs. Another important section is the documentation, which is under Help and Support. Using the information on the Platform Configurator section of the documentation, we can configure all the devices in Mobile Device Manager that we want to connect and run tests on. These devices can be Android or iOS. We'll learn more about the options here in the upcoming videos. And with that, we've reached the end of our demo. You can go ahead and create your profile in Sauce Labs too. To recap what we have learned, we've seen what is Sauce Labs, how to create a user account, and where can we find the driver creation URL. That's all for now. In the next video, we'll see how to set up our first device in Mobile Device Manager. See you soon.